how to connect Spotify to Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Discord app right here. And once we open our Discord app, then the next thing that we need to do is to tap on our profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, which is right here. So just click that right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click the settings on the upper right corner of the screen. So click that. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see the connections. Now, once you see the connections right there, all you have to do is to click it, and then you will now be able to see the Spotify right here. However, if you don't see it right there, all you have to do is to click add, and then look for the Spotify, which is right here. So click that Spotify, and then you will be redirected into your browser. And then all you have to do is to, of course, enter your login details. You can log in through your Google account, through your Facebook account, through with Apple, or through your email. So if you haven't created an account yet, all you have to do is to sign up for Spotify, and then that should be it. You will now be able to connect your Spotify to your Discord. So once again, that is how easy it is. That is how to connect Spotify to Discord.